Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Space Odyssey. Today, we're diving into an exciting question. Are the continents on Earth somehow connected to space? Buckle up, because this might be more cosmic than you think. First, some fundamental science. Over millions of years, geological processes have shaped the continents of our globe. They have taken on their current form due to erosion, volcanic activity, and plate tectonics. This is where things become interesting though. Was their creation influenced by space? Yes, but not in the manner you might anticipate. Asteroids and meteorites are two important space influences. A vast number of space rocks have struck Earth numerous times throughout its past. A few of these strikes have left craters behind, which can eventually lead to geological changes. It's interesting to note that even while these impacts may not have directly shaped continents, they have had an impact on the geological processes that shape our world. For instance, large impacts may result in volcanic activity or earthquakes, which may help build and reorganize landmasses. Additionally, there was a time when the early Earth was heavily bombarded. The early continental formations and the beginning evolution of Earth's crust were aided by this intensive meteoric activity. Therefore, even while space events did not directly produce continents, they have had a considerable impact on the conditions that led to their development and evolution. The interplay of cosmic and geological forces makes our world a dynamic system. Gaining an understanding of this relationship helps us to better appreciate the complex mechanisms that mold our environment. If you enjoyed this cosmic voyage across Earth's geological past, please remember to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Please leave a comment below with any queries or subjects you would like us to cover in the future. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. For more fantastic content, subscribe.